Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly mail me. I have an email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 at the rate gmail.com. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906 at the rate gmail.com. So, friends, in our last chapter, I covered the topic called. I started a new chapter called Appendix, and I covered the topic called Song of a Brahmachari. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's chapter, I'm going to cover the topic called Recipes for Brahmacharya, Celibacy Prescription. Okay. So, friends, let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling, that what are the recipes of Brahmacharya and what are the celibacy prescription. And this is 111 number video, friends. Okay. So, let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. So, Swami Sivananda is telling Shirshasana 5 minutes. So, it is very important for us to do Shirshasana for 5 minutes, friends. Okay. So, this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Sarvangasana 10 minutes. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that even it is very much important to do Sarvangasana for 10 minutes, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Fasting on Ekadashi day or on alternative Sunday. So friends, here Swami Sivananda is telling fasting on Ekadashi day, it is very important, or you can do one thing, you can fast on alternate Sundays. Japa 1 hour. So Swami Sivananda is telling japa, doing japa for 1 hour is also important. Study of Gita 1 hour. So Swami Sivananda is telling even studying the Gita for 1 hour is very, very essential in practice of brahmacharya and in follow up brahmacharya and in follow up celibacy. Saguna or Nirguna meditation. 30 minutes increase it to 2 hours. So Swami Sivananda is telling Saguna or Nirguna meditation. It is very important and you need to start this from 30 minutes and you can increase this up to 2 hours, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Siddhasana 30 minutes. So Swami Sivananda is telling, friends, that Siddhasana for 30 minutes is very important. Pranayama 30 minutes. So Swami Sivananda is telling even doing pranayama for 30 minutes also it is very important. Milk and fruit at night. So Swami Sivananda is telling having milk and fruit at night is also very important. Uddiyana Bandh 10 minutes. So here Swami Sivananda is telling doing Uddiyana Bandh is also very important for 10 minutes, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Keep the mind fully occupied in reading, gardening, kirtan, etc. So friends, here Swami Sivananda is telling we need to keep our mind fully occupied in reading, gardening, kirtan and etc. Friends, and this type of work. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Kirtana 30 minutes. So Swami Sivananda is telling it is very important for us to do Kirtana for 30 minutes. Prayer 30 minutes. So Swami Sivananda is telling even doing prayer for 30 minutes also is very important for follow Brahmacharya and for practice of Brahmacharya. Satsanga 1 hour. So Swami Sivananda is telling doing Satsanga for 1 hour is very essential in the practice of Brahmacharya and in the practice of celibacy, friends. Okay. Tripala water in the morning. So Swami Sivananda is telling water in the morning is very important, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling in this topic. Meditation 10 minutes to 3 hours. So Swami Sivananda is telling doing meditation for starting from 10 minutes and up to 3 hours is very important for the practice and the follow up brahmacharya, friends. Okay. Tratak or Om or picture of Lord Krishna. So Swami Swananda is telling doing Sratak or Om, Sratak on Om, or the picture of Lord Krishna for 10 minutes. It's very important for the practice and for the follow of celibacy, friends. Okay. Hare Rama Bhajan and Japa 10 minutes. So Swami Swananda is telling that Hare Rama Japa, uh, Hare Rama Bhajan and Japa for 10 minutes. It's very important, right? Hare Rama Bhajan and Japa for 10 minutes. It's very important. Badam and Mishri Sharbat can be taken in the summer. So yes, Swami Swananda is telling that Badam and the Mishri, Mishri Sharbat can be taken in the summer, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. Reader can practice the item mentioned in any one of the four group or can combine 1 and 3, 3 or 4 or 1 to 3 and 4 to the best of the advantage. So Swami Swananda is telling that at least you should follow something, but I will tell you that we need to follow each and everything which is mentioned in the book, friends. Okay. So friends, in our today's topic, I have covered the concept called recipe of Brahmacharya, celibacy prescription. So let us see in our next topic we have mantra for japa. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay. And I will be meeting you in the next video.